Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll start by isolating the subject, so bokeh affects only the background. Duplicate the background and hide the original, then use Quick Select or Select Subject to grab the subject quickly. Once selected, refine edges in Select and Mask to avoid halos. Convert the selected area into a layer mask and turn the masked layer into a smart object if you want non-destructive blur adjustments later. This gives you precise control over what stays sharp versus what will have the bokeh applied. With the subject protected, add the blur on the background layer underneath the subject smart object. Open Filter Blur Gallery, field Blur and place pins to vary blur intensity across the scene. Increase the bokeh amount to introduce circular highlights and tweak light bokeh and bokeh highlights to simulate lens speculars. Move the focal point or change pin strength to create depth gradation. Once done, fine-tune via the blur sliders and keep the filter as a smart filter so you can revisit settings later. Finish by refining the composite so the bokeh reads naturally. Use the subject mask to paint back any lost edge detail and apply subtle curves or color lookup adjustments to match background tonality and highlights. If bokeh speculars are too harsh, lower bokeh highlights or add a subtle noise filter to blend. If you see halos at edges, enter Select and Mask to reduce contrast or feather the selection, or carefully paint the mask edge with a soft brush. Once satisfied, flatten a copy for export.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.